Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. The table topic for today is when it's all said and done, will you have said more than you have done? When it's all said and done, will you have said more than you have done? What would I have done? So many times what happens is that we talk more and do less. And when the outcome is not favorable to us, we blame our luck, we blame the process, we blame other people. To give you one example, that most often in like when we don't clear any exam, when we don't uh, qualify in an interview, we just say that I I was good. It's somehow something happened, or like you start going back to like you are in denial mode, then you are not accepting. So that happens that you are not able to improve further. That's what happens. So if you ask me, then I would have always done more than what I said. So that's how I learned. If I'm not able to do something, I would accept it, I would embrace it, and then I would move forward. And in my opinion, that's what we all should do. It happens that we should talk more, we should make a loud noise about whatever we are doing. It might work for some time, but I don't think it would work for a really long time. And in my opinion, you should plan for a long time. People don't plan for a long time. So coming back to the topic, when it's all said and done, it's everything happened, then would I have said more? No, I would have done more. So with that, over to you. Thank you.